Hi viewers, today very quickly we are just going to see the unboxing of Mi SuperBass headphones, on the ear headphones actually. I'm a regular user of headphones and generally it is in ear, and due to this pandemic times and doing work from home for a very long period, I thought keeping an in ear is always something which is hurting my ears, but so I just thought I'll give a try with an on the ear headphones. So after doing that, so after going with that, I was thinking like which one to choose, and there were a lot of brands available, right from 600 or 700 rupees to, yeah, with very high cost. But I was having a budget between 1500 to 2000. I don't want to go beyond 2000, and I'm not taking a risk of going anything beyond less than 1500. So I thought maybe I'll give a try with the JBL, Mi SuperBass and boat. But out of all these three, I decided okay, I'll give a try with Mi. The reason being their mobile phones. Mi always has a stupendous mobile phones, at least with a very reasonable price and with good features. Definitely they have drawbacks, but at least they have a reasonable phone at a very reasonable price. So I thought okay, Mi should be having a better headphones, so I'm just going with that. So this is my package. I got it delivered from Amazon and I bought the headphones for 1799. Okay, let's quickly go for the unboxing. I'm just going to take off. Okay, this is the package. I ordered the one with golden yellow with black, and there is another option of red with black. So here we go. So I think all the basic details are provided here. Headphones, what was the actual cost, weight, what is the Bluetooth connectivity, micro USB, 20 hours of continuous music. I think both offers around 20 hours, the same hours, and whereas the JBL's Infinity is offering 72 hours Bluetooth 5.0. But the actual reason why I thought of giving a try with Mi was because it is having the earbuds is coming up in a vertical way, whereas or to say the rectangular fashion, whereas the Infinity is having a circular one, a round one. So this is a package. Looks good. So let me open this. This is the first time I'm actually going to use a headphone, so I'm really excited. Your headphones. And we have a small cover that's going to give us okay, it's a 3.5 mm jack. USB portal and a USB port, and the basic menu, user manual, and I think this should be your warranty card as well. I'm not really sure. I'm not finding any other stuff, so I believe this should also serve. No, I don't. Okay, I'm not really sure like where the warranty card is. I'm not seeing anything else here. So here are the headphones. looks cool. I like the gold color here, and offerings that says left and right. Okay. Yeah, we have this adjustment. Okay, and there is a good, but overall this looks nice. And so where are the buttons? Okay, here they are. So if you see here are the buttons. So maybe I'll do a better review later point in time, but at this point I just wanted to have a look and feel of this. Okay, here are the USB port and the charge, and definitely I'm just going to give it a try, because I'm just little I'm not really sure like how far this headphones are. I'm not a great person who could review on the sound and quality, because I'm not a great person who listens to music. But this, I'm just really getting it just for one particular reason, that I don't want to have my in-ear headphones continuously in my ear, and especially when I have a lot of calls going around throughout my working day. So yeah, but overall this is how it feels. This looks I really like the design, and especially I like this particular the cushioning part. So it's like very very good comparatively to other what I've seen with the Infinity or the Infinity one. This is really good. MI just has a etched MI branding. Yep, this looks good. So guys, like if you really like this unboxing video, please do subscribe to our channel Kunda Seti, and please leave your comments, and please share it with your friends as well. So we'll quickly come back and we'll give you a review, like that's but don't expect too much from on the technical front, because I'm just a very regular user, a very normal user. I don't have a great background on the technologies. So but yeah, maybe as a general user I can give you how it feels, or how it feels from moving from a normal in-ear headphones to an on-ear headphones. Thank you guys, have a great day, and always stay safe till we get rid of this COVID-19. Thank you.